Hey y'all, Chef IrixGuy here, and this is how to marinate a steak. I'm marinating a T-bone, but you could marinate most any steak like this. That's lemon juice. Use fresh lemons if you got it. I'm using lemon juice from concentrate. You want Worcestershire, get you some Worcestershire. You can get the cheap store brand. Works the same. Soy sauce, cheap store brand, works the same. Always do your wet marinades first. So we got that on there. Now we're going to use fresh garlic. You can buy garlic cloves, chop them up and put them on there, or you can just buy some minced garlic and olive oil or water. You can get this at most any grocery store. Oh, and I've linked it within this video's description too. Depending upon how much garlic you want, add a generous amount. Don't dip your spoon back in the garlic thing because it'll contaminate the garlic. So just put it on there and then distribute it evenly with your spoon. This will add that really good garlicky flavor, and definitely marinate in your refrigerator for a few hours, but optimally do it overnight. Really get that flavor coming out. Now that's just the wet and the garlic. Now we're going to add something else. And I've linked this within this video's description. This is a Greek seasoning, and it adds a wonderful flavor to steak and other meats also. But just put a generous amount on there. That's good enough. And for good measure, always do a little bit of fresh ground pepper. I love fresh ground pepper. But my pepper mill is out of pepper, so I've got to add pepper to my pepper mill. Just take just a second. And obviously it goes without saying, I've linked the pepper mill and the peppercorns like I'm using within this video's description, along with everything else. Very nice pepper mill. This one is from Paris, and I linked it within this video's description. I recommend a coarse grind. That's one of the cool things about this. You can select a very coarse grind, and that's what I like for my steak marinade. Coarse, freshly ground black pepper. Don't get the already ground. Get a grinder like this. Get the peppercorns like I use and have the full flavor. And definitely don't get that the junk you buy in the store. It's in the little tin can type thing. That pepper is not pepper. It doesn't have any flavor to it. But that's how to marinate steak, step by step. Subscribe, like this video, ring that bell, and check out all of my cooking videos. I got grilling videos, baking videos, smoking videos, you name it. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day. Tightly covered, goes in the fridge, preferably overnight. Hey y'all, IrixGuy here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.